Hey there, Dr. Kevin Kostka here from Summit Physical Therapy. I would like to personally thank you for registering for our Headache and Migraine Workshop. During this workshop, you'll get to hear stories and experiences from other people who have suffered from headaches and migraines, as well as those that are currently suffering from headaches and migraines. Heck, you can even share your story if you want to. In this video today, I'm going to share with you the most common types of headaches and migraines. There's 3 of them. One of them is the cluster headache. The second one is tension headaches, and the third one is called cervicogenic headaches. There's evidence that shows that the upper neck can be the source of the referring pain up into the head area. These often come from cervical structures C1, C2, and C3, right at the base of that skull and a little bit down. People who suffer from these types of headaches often have tenderness in that area, they have limited range of motion in that area, and they have neck weakness in this area here. A quick test to see if your neck could be causing the problem is simply by feeling that upper neck area right at the base of your skull. If that area is tender, then that could possibly be an area that is causing your headaches. Now, secondly, there's a quick test that you can do when you're actually lying down, and it's called the cervical endurance test. So basically what you do is you lie down, you tuck your chin, kind of like you're making a double chin, and then you lift your head up off of the table or the bed. Now, research shows that you should be able to hold that for about 2 minutes. Okay? Now, if you can't do that or you really start shaking, then you could test positive for that cervical endurance neck flexor test. All right, so that you have the tension up there and then you have that weakness there. So, were you tender in that area? Were you able to hold your head up that long? So, if you come to this workshop, you're going to find out how you can help these headaches without injections, without pain medications, and without expensive drugs. I'm going to help to answer these questions for you in the next video coming up in the next couple of days. So be looking out for it.